Have you ever tasted a salad that's so fresh and satisfying that you actually forget you're eating something incredibly healthy? Well, today we're making one of my favorite Mediterranean-inspired chickpea salad. It's colorful, loaded with vegetables, packed with protein and fiber and all the good stuff, and homemade lemon dressing that brings everything together so beautifully. Welcome to Healthy Kitchen Wizard, where healthy food is never boring. As always, let's begin with simple, wholesome ingredients. I have my chickpeas that I boiled overnight and it's nice and cold. Fresh cucumber. I have yellow and red tomatoes. Bell pepper. Red onion, celery, feta, and olives. I also have fresh parsley, fresh garlic, fresh lemon, and extra virgin olive oil. The recipe will be in the description with all the measurements, okay? So we're good to go. So let's get started. So we're gonna chop the cucumber into bite-sized pieces. And we're gonna do the tomatoes. Here's the red tomatoes. These tomatoes have a lot of potassium, lycopene, and it protects your cells from damage. So they're very, very nutritious. And we have one bell pepper. bell peppers have more vitamin C than an orange, believe it or not. It promotes firm skin after 50. The red onions contain antioxidants and strengthens the blood vessels. And then we'll pour the chickpeas in. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? Now we'll cover this and put it in the refrigerator so all the vegetables will release their juices and blend together, and then we'll make the dressing. Now, chickpeas are one of my favorite pantry staples because they're rich in plant protein, fiber, and minerals while making any salad much more filling. Now we're gonna make the Mediterranean salad dressing. So we have lemon zest, lemon juice, we're using 1 tablespoon of honey. So we're gonna open this and get a tablespoon. Olive oil. See? Balsamic vinegar. I'm using this aged balsamic vinegar. Fresh garlic. Salt, pepper, and paprika. And we're just gonna mix this all up. Give it a little whisk. That's it. Looks beautiful. Here's the salad. Just took it out of the refrigerator. Oh, it smells wonderful. Oh, yeah.
How colorful.
Yes. Add the parsley. Then some feta. This smells just amazing. Look at that. Now for the best part, the taste test. The cucumbers are nice and crisp. Tomatoes, they're so sweet. And the olives just give it just enough saltiness. The feta is so nice and creamy. And that brightness from the lemon dressing ties everything perfectly together. It's fresh, light, and incredibly satisfying. One of the things I love most about Mediterranean style meals is that they're built around real whole foods, colorful vegetables, healthy fats from olive oil, rich fiber from legumes, and fresh herbs. It's a delicious way to nourish your body without feeling like you're giving up something. Healthy eating is not about perfection, my friends. It's about making simple, delicious choices, one meal at a time. If you enjoy this recipe, I'd love for you to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Healthy Kitchen Wizard. Leave me a comment to tell me what's your favorite ingredient in a Mediterranean salad. Until next time, keep cooking, keep learning, and remember, every healthy meal is another little bit of magic in your kitchen. Until next time, see you, bye.